So, folks, GME, $1.5 million almost invested in GME again. So, my cost base around for all GME positions, 50,000 shares, is $1.4 million, $1.24 million. Well, that's almost like $1.5 million. So, I'm sitting on unrealized losses, $224,855 as of today, Friday. So, folks, GME is trading lower, below $25, and we will going to analyze in details what is going on with GME and watch the entire video and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Folks, I'm sharing my everything with you folks, so at least show your little love to this channel, that subscribe and forward this channel. And for more details, you can join our group and you'll see more amazing things, and what I'm trading, what I'm not trading, how much profit I'm making, how much loss I'm taking. So, well, coming back to GME, $1.4 million invested in GME, sitting on 224,000 unrealized loss. So sitting on an average of $28.5 GME per share. So, well, will I invest more money in GME? That depends. That entirely depends that I will invest more money or not. Right? So, well, first of all, we will talk about this right here. GME right now, $24, right? Well, is that good or bad? Folks, hold on. Good or bad? Of course, that is not even good, not even bad. Again, we have to analyze by going on the daily chart to see where we are exactly sitting. So right now here, so if you see, we have a minor pullback in this kind of area, and also this kind of squeeze that we are getting right here in GME, that is, can you see, it's getting narrower and narrower. So, well, folks, this can also go to $22. It's highly possible that this guy can go to $22. It's very highly possible. So, am I going to add more shares in GME? Well, again, I said, it all depends. Well, when we have that up, one leg up, so we will be hitting that $47 on a very solid spike, and the high chances are this stock might not hold this $47 level, and it can flush down back to $37. So this is the first thing, $37. I think GME can flush down after just heading back up. Well, folks, one thing more interesting, look at this declining volume right here, right? On it, mostly on a selling pressure. We don't have that much selling pressure, we have more declining volume. But if you realize that in 1, 2, 3 days, 3 days, they were literally the heaviest shorting day by the hedge fund institutions, whoever, whatever they're trying to do to this stock. And we are literally trading on a very thin volume. As of Friday, we traded on a very thin volume. On Monday, we will, of course, I will speak in details in another video, so you will have, so I don't make this video so long. So I just want to talk about what I did today. Was waiting patiently and was noticing something very nasty on GME 4-hour chart. What's nasty is nasty for the hedge funds, not for us, right? So we are still consolidating in this tight area, $26 to $22.86. This is the area I want this to break on the upside. Once it breaks on the upside, $26, then we will talk something on GME, right? But what if it flushes down below $20.86? Of course, folks, we got the solid and kind of risky support level to $19.91. Of course, folks, this is just my perspective, how I read charts and how I approach the market and how I approach the stock. One more time, do not gamble in the stock market. Never go in any stock all in. Never do that. Never go all in one stock. Try to just put 10 or 20% of your, if I would have been you, of course, I will just try to do that. And I will never go all in one stock, folks. Never. Never I'll do that. So you see here the W pattern, even on a very large scale level, the W pattern on a 4-hour chart is valid. But if you remove this, now we got this only this head, shoulder, and now we are trying to form another shoulder. Another shoulder will form only if the stock is hitting to $47. If it hits to $47, we again have an this is the level. Again consolidation. We did I don't think so this stock should consolidate for a long time, because it's time for the stock to really spike up. So again, so this is what the patterns, what I think the stock can really form the head and shoulder pattern. But folks, see one thing here. We are getting a little long consolidation. This is kind of unusual that we are getting this long consolidation. Well, this can be on various reasons. Why? Because we retail investors and the hedge fund institutions, banks, whoever, they're shorting the stock. They're just trying to bring down the stock much as possible by naked shorting and all. I don't want to go in all details. Again, I don't want to make the video very long. These guys, they're trying to short the stock. They're trying to bring down the stock, right? And we are trying to buy the stock, trying to push the stock up and up. So it's literally break even every single time, consolidating between $25.81 to $22.86. This is becoming literally like a break even and consolidation on the chart. So we are literally not moving anywhere, neither up, neither out, neither down, on a very heavy basis. But one thing I can say, that once these guys will get tired of shorting the stock and will keep on buying more, the stock will have the squeezes up and up and up. But speaking to the reality, we have no idea what they're doing, and I have no idea what you are doing, and you have no idea what the hell I am doing. But still, I'm sharing my stuff with you so you can have an idea what I'm doing with GME. But for more details, you can join the Discord down, and you will know what I am buying another stock and selling, and how much profit I'm making. So maybe you can learn from that and you can apply it for yourself. Well, stock market is really big, and it's not only GME, but GME is an opportunity that we are trying to take advantage of, right? Yes, I told correct, and you heard correct. Opportunity. Well, again, never go all in one stock. Never. Enjoy the stock market and enjoy the stock or ride whatever it gives you, but never put all your eggs in one basket. Try to put some of them and some of them somewhere, just distributed evenly, so you can be well balanced in your portfolio, right? Of course, this is kind of wise advice that you can really apply to yourself. I want to see one thing more on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, we are absolutely on a declining volume, going down to $19. But folks, everything what I drew here is literally not valid. So I'll try to just clear this out. And you see here, declining. So this can be like this. And again, this stock can also come and get squeezed right here. Squeezed right here. When it gets squeezed right here to $27, that's where we are looking for the pump. But anyways, as you see the history of the stock right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks ago, it hit to the high of $80.12 and just flushed back down super heavily. And again, after 2 weeks, it pumped back to $67 and again flushed back. This was the day on the earnings that we got, and of course, a lot of so many million shares were sold, just diluted, just because of the price was looking pretty interesting, and that's what they diluted here. And since then, we are here, Doge candle red, so that's kind of like a break-even sign. And here, the entirely red candle, that is on a heavy selling volume. I mean, on a shorting volume. And as you see here, the volume here is more than 1 billion in these 2 weeks. So that's crazy. Now you imagine how many shares are being shorted on this stock, right? Now you can calculate if the volume is showing you more than 1 billion, and just make a calculation how many billion shares they are shorting on this stock. That includes the naked shorting and dark pools, whatever. Again, don't want to go in details. I'm just want to telling you a nutshell idea that imagine what kind of what amount of shares they are shorting on the stock. So this stock can really flush down to $9 or $10. That's what the hedge funds are thinking, and that's what we are not thinking, right? So we are trying to make this squeeze. Once it makes that $47 as a solid support, folks, on it, this $47 is a solid support, then something really massive can happen on the stock, folks. So me invested $1.4 million, almost $1.5 million in C. It's not a joke. It's something serious. This stock is about to get crazy at any moment or any given time. So, but anyways, I have patience and we will have patience. I don't know about you guys. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button much as possible for the video. I'm sharing the hell everything with you. You can't just do that. See you in the next video. Probably see you in the group so you can have more updates much faster than YouTube. Thank you so much and see you next time.